Hey, Casey Rae here, and today I'm going to show you how to go from this to this. So for this video, I wanted to do something new and fun, so I decided I would go to my local Goodwill and find something that had potential but really could use a little bit of help. So for this thrift flip, I was really inspired by this button-down pencil skirt. I've been really eyeballing this style of skirt on Pinterest for a while now, and I haven't been able to find anything quite right. So when I found this skirt, I was really excited because I knew that I could turn it into something super cute. So as you can see, the skirt is really ill-fitting, and I didn't particularly like the color. So what I decided to do was actually dye the skirt. I had this Kelly green and navy blue dye already on hand, and my first initial thought was that I would just mix the two dyes together. So I followed the instructions, sort of. Let's be real, I never follow the instructions, but I did try to read them a little bit. And it said to fill up the sink with really hot water, so that's what I did. And then I added the navy blue and some of the Kelly green. I kind of was thinking that I'll get like a teal color. You'll see what color it turns out in a minute. It was not teal, it was not navy blue. So I set my timer for 30 minutes, but I wound up taking it out closer to 15 because this is me and it looked fine, okay? I'm impatient. The sink had kind of like a ring around it, so I went ahead and bleached that out before it was in there for good, and it came out. It was totally fine. The next step was to put it in the washing machine and wash on a warm setting with laundry detergent. So when it came out, it was not navy blue, obviously, or Kelly green, but it was actually more of a gray color, which I wound up liking even better. After all that was said and done, we had to move on to the annoying and difficult task of taking it in. Now, I'm going to be really honest with you guys. All of my real seamstresses out there are going to be cringing super hard because I don't know how to sew. Please. So it turns out I was really ambitious and I thought I could do it. No problem. So I put the skirt on and I pinned up the back, and then I realized that it was going to be really hard to sew inside out with the pins in the back. So then I decided that I would turn it inside out and then pin it, and you'll just see what happened. The first try was okay, but it was not a success. It was all wobbly and wonky. It was not working out. Then I realized I was out of thread, so I had to relearn how to actually thread the needle and the machine. Once I got that done, I realized that the bobbin thread was all messed up because every time I was trying to push it through there, it was getting all hung. Oh my God. I'm about to throw this son of a... Basically, hours and hours later, watching YouTube video after YouTube video, my husband having to step in and help me out and calm me down, almost giving up at least 5 times. I took a break, ate my Thai food, got my thoughts together, and watched one more YouTube video, and I finally got it working. As you guys can see, I'm losing light. This has literally took me all day, but I'm okay with it because I got it done. I'm really proud of me. I persevered, I stuck to it, but it was super annoying. It has motivated me to maybe take a class and learn a little bit more about sewing because I've always wanted to learn how to sew. But yeah, it's super annoying when you don't know what you're doing. So I'm sorry if you were wanting a tutorial. This is more of a what not to do, but maybe you'll feel inspired to do your own thrifting flips. So anyway, I hope you enjoy this. Here's how it turned out. Hope you enjoyed this this video. If you did, be sure and give me a big thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments below. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Share with your friends. Thanks so much for watching, guys. You're my favorite. Peace and love.